The theme of the house is modern cozy, and with a lot of storage and also easy to maintain. The foyer actually is very simple because the foyer is quite small. We just built in a shoe cabinet and a storage settee. For the living room, we built a TV feature and a display cabinet. We are using a wooden and marble laminate to create a cozy and luxurious look. Previously, the kitchen is quite small and quite dark. So then we see that the dining area is still in the good size. So we extended the kitchen a little bit. So the kitchen is bigger. Then also we made the glass door. So from the dining we can see a little bit to the kitchen. Then the kitchen also looks brighter. For the helper room, because previously it was in a service yard, it's in a small room. We saw there is an extra space in the dining room here. So actually we created a small room for her.
For the son's bedroom, we propose a suite room for them. So we extend the room bigger to fit the common toilet inside the room. We mainly use blue and match a little bit of grey, have a little bit like industrial style. And then we have a platform bed, so you can store more things, as the son have a lot of books to store. We make the common toilet to share between the guest room and the son's bedroom. And for the guest room, we use two-tone of the wood grain, and basically it's a natural color, so it feels more comfortable and then more cozy. Actually, the master toilet is very big, so we had a way of the master bathroom door. We had the bathtub also, so we add another wall to make the toilet smaller and add more wardrobe space for the master bedroom. For the karaoke room, we add a double glazed door and the thick curtain to achieve the soundproof effect. We use wood and gold color laminate to achieve a bit special effect.
Overall, me, Nicole and the homeowners are very happy with the end result because the house is cozy. They are happy to be back home and also when welcoming the guests. Every design in the room is made according to the user's lifestyle.